we just started. It starts off pretty rocky, but like once you actually get into it, it's better. I'm gonna show you guys a clip of the terrain and what we're working with out here. But it's raining. I'm a true Seattle girl, you know? Like, we do this. We get in the rain. We get wet. We get dry. So, you know, making our way through the woods. The dope thing about this trail is to know that you're going the right way. We have these white marks on the trees, which is dope. We don't have that at home. It makes it easier to know that we're going the right way, that we're on track, and which is dope because I don't know my way around. So we're almost halfway, and the trail ends at a different point than it starts, which for me is something new. So I'm excited to see how this plays out, where we come out. But yeah, I'll check back in with you guys. So we are out here. We're almost to the top. It's rocky as fuck, okay? I mean, maybe I shouldn't put that in. Excuse me. It's very rocky out here. And we're about to go up some more rock stairs, so I'm going to put in a clip after this so you guys can see the set of stairs that we're about to go up. But, I mean, this is the way. This is how you break yourself in for a new region. I'll see you guys. Now that would be fun. Alright, so we're here and there's these blue markers. So my assumption is we must have made it because we can't go no higher. Like, see, that's the tree line behind us and there's nothing out beyond. So yeah, we made it. How you feeling, Kathy?
Good. A mess. Dirty, but good.
We're on our way back down. We're back to the portion where you have to go down these like stone stairs, but the rain has let up, so I'm not as terrified.
We're close.
Alright. Alright guys, so we are done. We are headed back to the train now. As you can see my Kathy and these lovely homes. And I won't say the middle of nowhere because I just don't know where I'm at. But yeah, overall it was a pretty good hike. Once we got to the top, things got way easier. So, you know, there's not a hike we start that we don't finish. We made it. Do something nice for yourself today. Do something you love, something you enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video.